Welcome to Instrument Engineer channel, powered by instrumentationportal.com. This video will explain about instrument hookup drawing. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is a new channel, and producing more videos so that you will not be missed the new ones. We start. This is a picture of an instrument which has been put into service. It is a differential pressure type flow transmitter for measuring a pressure drop across the orifice. To measure the pressure, this instrument is not directly connected to the pipe, instead, it is connected to point of measurement by the tubing. We usually name the point of measurement by tapping point. However, before it is installed like arrangement, as shown in this picture, there must be a drawing that shows how the instrument is going to be installed. The drawing is produced during design engineering, and after that, is used as a guide by the technician who installs the instrument. And this drawing is known as instrument hookup drawing. So, hookup drawing is a detailed drawing, which is showing typical installation of instrument in a correct manner so that instrument will operate properly during operation. By having a correct installation, it will not have any issue, which could potentially affect the measurement, such as liquid trap, in the impulse line, in the future. This is the instrument. And this side is the process. Between them is the bulk material that are needed to make the installation complete. So, what is the detail that we must specify in the hookup diagram? First, hookup drawing gives information the requirement of bulk material for each installation. As seen on the bottom table, it provides details of bulk material, including its specification, size, type, material, and the quantity. Next is to specify instruments within the plant which need this kind of installation. Like in this drawing, it is shown that there are 5 transmitters which will have this typical installation. Hence, the bulk material in the previous table must be multiplied with this number of instrument to obtain the total number of bulk material required for the project. This drawing also indicates position of instrument in reference to process tapping point. The gas service instrument will have the instrument position higher than the process tapping. Inversely, the liquid service instrument will have the instrument position lower than the process tapping. As you can see, this drawing is instrument serving for the process gas. It also shows tubing slopes. It should be noted that no pocket point is allowed. So it shall have a continuous slope from the instrument up to the tapping point. And scope limit between instrument and piping. Battery limit between instrument and piping shall be made clear. This is must in line with P&ID or piping documents. Last but not least, extra notes. For example, stating material or accessories that is supplied by other party and not being counted in this drawing. In this example drawing, it is stated that 5-way valve manifold, orifice flange, mounting bracket, and U-bolt will be supplied by other party and is not counted in this bulk material. There are 2 types of hookup drawings. Process hookup. This hookup drawing contains typical installations for instrument which connects to the process. Pneumatic hookup contains typical installations for instrument which requires instrument air, such as control valve and actuated valve. What is the purpose of instrument hookup drawing? As stated earlier, information of bulk material requirement is stated for each installation on each sheet. Hence, the bulk material required for the whole drawings could be summarized and tabulated in a document named Material Takeoff. During project construction phase, this drawing is also referred as a guidance of how to install the instrument properly. Please subscribe to our channel, since we will be releasing a new video. Or visit instrumentationportal.com for more instrument and control related content. Thank you.